Hello guys, it's Delicious Cooks. Welcome and welcome back to the YouTube channel. So guys, today I decided I'll be making Chelsea buns. Yeah, that's what I'll be making today. For my ingredients here, I have sultanas. Here you go. I have my milk. Yeah. I have sugar here. I have margarine, instant yeast, my 2 eggs, and my all-purpose flour. So let's begin, guys. So guys, I'm going to measure my flour. I'll be using 800 grams of flour. 800 grams of flour. Just show them. Yeah, just show them here. I've measured my 800 grams of flour, guys. Yeah, you can see it's 800 grams of flour. That's what I'll be using, guys. So let's begin with the preparation. So guys, I'm going to sieve my flour. Yeah, I'm going to sieve my flour into this bowl. I'm sieving my flour, guys. Yeah. You can ask me questions. Feel free to ask me questions. Guys, I've sieved my flour into a bowl. So I need to begin with my preparation. Let me wash my hands again. The hygiene is important, so let me wash my hands so then begin preparation with clean hands. I had already washed my hands, but let me wash again. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to go in with my 1 tablespoon of instant yeast. Yeah. So guys, for sugar, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. So let's measure our sugar. This is a tablespoon. Yeah, this is a measuring spoon. So I'm going to go in with my 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's one. You know, people are sick nowadays, so I'm not going to add lots of sugar in here. Yeah, so I've only added 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yeah, guys. So guys, I'm going to mix my flour, sugar, and yeast. Then I'm not going to add any salt. Yeah, you know the recipes that usually say add a pinch of salt. I don't know, half a teaspoon of salt, but honestly speaking, I don't love salt in my bread. I usually don't have to add salt in the bread, guys. Yeah, so mine are just adding sugar only. That's what I'll be working with today. Sugar, flour, yeast, and the rest of the ingredients. No salt for me. So I'm mixing my dry ingredients together, guys. Yeah. Sorry guys, the cooking stick is too big. Yeah, it's too big. So guys, the next step is that I'm going to make a hole in the center of this my dry ingredients. Then I'm going to add in my eggs. Come show people, please. This is how I'm going to add in my 2 eggs. Remember, these are homemade Chelsea buns, so they have to be delicious, guys. I'm going to add in my eggs like that with my milk, guys. Warm milk. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to mix my wet ingredients with my dry ingredients and knead my Chelsea bun dough. Guys, I'm kneading my dough. I'm really struggling, guys. This ball is too big. So guys, I'm kneading my dough. Yeah, come show people. So guys, I'm going to add my melted butter in my dough. Cooking is art, guys. You just have to create your own recipes. You have to create. So I'm kneading my dough, right? Yeah. I've added my melted butter in my dough and I'm kneading my dough. So let's wait and see how my Chelsea buns are going to come out. I'm sure they're going to come out amazing. I've added my melted butter in here. So guys, after adding my melted butter in my dough, this is what I'm doing guys. I decided to put my dough in my working surface and knead it, guys. Work on it thoroughly.
So how long do you need to knead your dough?
I can't say for how long because it's not supposed to be sticky, guys.
As you can see guys, she's busy kneading the dough.
Yeah. I'm busy kneading my dough, guys, and it's soft. Guys, as you can see, my dough is not sticky anymore. It's not sticking. And now you can see it's not sticky. And the consistency is, it's soft and not sticky. You know, it's not even sticky. You see, it's not even sticking in my own hands. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover my dough and let it rest till it doubles in size.
So how many minutes does it have to
Approximately,
rest?
I think like 20 minutes or 30 minutes, it depends.
Okay.
Yeah, with the temperature of the environment. Yeah. So I'm going to add my dough in here in my bowl and cover it. To avoid my dough sticking in this bowl, I'm going to apply a little bit of butter down. Then add in my dough. Yes, see what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's so cool guys. As you can see, the dough is pretty cool.
Yeah. Then this is how it's supposed to be. So I'm going to cover my dough and let it rest. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, my dough has raised. It has doubled in size, you see? Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to knock it down. Yeah. And remove the air. Yeah, like that, guys. You see? I've removed the air in the dough. So let me begin with the rest of the preparation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flour my surface. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to divide my dough into two, then work with one first. Cooking is very easy, guys. So guys, I have my melted butter here. So let me begin with my preparation. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Remember, remove the air from the dough. Take that flour. This one I don't know if you're seeing what I'm doing, guys. I hope you're seeing what I'm doing. So guys, I've rolled my dough into this shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the melted butter. So after that, I'm going to sprinkle sugar. Then sprinkle my sultanas on top. Yeah. Is that enough? I should add some.
I think it's enough.
Enough, right?
Yeah.
So guys, what I'm going to do is roll this. Yeah. Yeah. So, so guys, I've rolled my dough. What I'm going to do next is portion my dough. Knife is really blunt. I don't know if I can get another one here, but it's honestly it's blunt. So let me divide my dough. Guys, the knife is really blunt, but I'm going to work with this one. This is how we make Chelsea buns. Yeah, guys. So I have my baking tin here in sorry guys. Can you please open that door? So I have my baking tin here. So guys, again I'll be using these things. Yeah, I'll be using these ones. So sorry. So I'm going to take my bread and place it here. Yeah, my dough. Are you showing them what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry guys, I don't have a big tin. So this is what I'm going to do. So after that, guys, what I'm going to do is cover my Guys, I've covered my dough so it can double in size. So guys, let me open and see. Wow guys, wow, my dough has doubled in size. So it's time to bake these guys in the oven. Yeah, so let's bake this in the oven and see how they're going to come out guys. Yeah. So guys, let's take out our Chelsea buns from the oven. Yeah. Yeah. Help me with that brush. Your blue bun. So let's brush them. Guys, I'm brushing my Chelsea buns, and as you can see, they really look good. They look delicious. They have a good color. So yeah, guys, go try this recipe in your homes and come in the comment section and tell me what you think about this recipe. Yeah, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. And for those who have not subscribed, if you're new in this channel, kindly consider subscribing and hit the notification bell for more videos, guys. Bye.